Hi and good day sa lahat na nakikinig and nanonood ng video na ito. This video is intended to help leaders here in our company, here in V-Mobile. And when I say leaders, I mean if you have at least 2 partners, I consider you as a leader. Pagka meron ka na kahit 2 partner lang under your group, under your team, I consider you as a leader. Right? Pag wala pang partners, technopreneur pa lang. So we'll be talking about this material na available din sa Facebook natin. 3 most important things to do for you to succeed in V-Mobile. Right? Maraming nag-join ng V-Mobile pero nagtataka sila bakit hindi sila kumikita, bakit hindi sila nagiging successful. Pwede na may mali silang ginagawa. Right? Or baka hindi nila nagagawa yung mga tama o yung mga kailangan gawin. So ito, kinumpile natin and we want to talk about this today. So basahin ko lang, as a new technopreneur, here are the things that you need to do to maximize the opportunities in our V-Mobile business. Income is sure. It is you who will decide how much and how fast you will earn. Alright? So ito ang mga kailangan nating gawin. Number 1, learn the business by reading the quick guide. So pag inabot sa dikit, basahin muna natin yung quick guide. Iba kasi, ang tagal-tagal na members, pag tinanong mo, nabasa na yung quick guide, hindi pa na nababasa. Very important, read the quick guide. Number 2, study the facts, yung mga frequently asked questions. So, most ng mga questions na itatanong natin as a new member ay nandoon. Nandoon din po yung mga sagot. Right? Number 3, practice the presentations. So, kahit na isang company lang tayo, isang product, isang compensation plan, iba-iba pa rin yung pagpe-present, iba-iba yung way, yung style natin ng presentations. So, panoorin natin, tingnan natin paano ba nila na-present yung V-Mobile. Aralin natin sa umpisa, madalas lang natin pinapanood and later sinasabay na natin and eventually, ikaw na nagpe-present ng business. Alright? Explore the websites. We have 2 websites. Loadstream.ph para ma-monitor mo lahat ng transactions about load. And the other website is myalex.biz para ma-monitor mo yung mga nangyayari sa organization mo, sa business mo. Alright? So, explore mo lang. Click mo lang na i-click kung ano pa yung mga page na hindi mo pa nakikita. Huwag kang matakot kasi lahat naman ng major transactions ay nagre-require ng PIK mo or yung personal identification key mo. Alright? So, wala kang magagawang malaking pagkakamali by just clicking. Then, attend meetings and trainings. So, meetings, we have the business opportunity meetings or natawag natin na BOM, B-O-M. Attend ka lang. Yung iba kasi nahihiya na umattend kasi wala naman akong bagong na-invite. It's okay. Mahalaga, umattend ka pa rin para naririnig mo pa rin yung presentations. Maalala mo na mas lalo mo natututunan yung negosyo. We also have trainings para sa mga existing members. So, mahalaga, attend ka ng training para mas lalo kang matuto ano ba yung mga tamang gawin as a member. Alright? Then, lastly, mapapansin nyo, sa last ko talaga siya nilagay. Ask questions for clarification. Yung iba kasi, sa umpisa pa lang, tanong lang tanong, hindi pa naman nababasa yung quick guide. Hindi pa nababasa yung facts. Hindi pa napapanood lahat ng presentations. Alright? So, very important. Gawin mo na lahat yan. Then, we'll ask for clarifications. Okay lang magtanong kasi minsan nabasa mo pero hindi mo pa rin siya maintindihan. Okay lang. That's the time you ask questions. So again, number 1, learn the business. Number 2, share the opportunities. Yung opportunity na meron tayo sa V-Mobile, pagkatapos na itong malaman, matutunan, gamitin, it's time for us to share the opportunity. Right? First thing you need to do, at least maglista ka 100 names na kakilala mo. Parang ang dami ng 100, di ba? Pero pagkaisipin mo, konti lang yan. Kamag-anak mo, ilan na? Kaibigan mo, ilan na? Ilan yung nasa cellphone mong contacts? Ilan yung nasa Facebook mo? Right? Iba sa atin, hundreds ng friends sa Facebook. Iba, 1,000 pa. O sabihin mo ng kalahati lang ng totoong kaibigan mo. Ilista mo yung pangalan mo. Kasi pag nilista mo yung pangalan, number 2, ang gagawin mo, you let them know that you are a member of V-Mobile. Bakit kailangan nilang malaman na nasa V-Mobile ka? Kasi bukas baka may mag-share sa kanya ng opportunity sa V-Mobile. dapat sa'yo na siya magjo-join, pero nag-join dun sa nag-share sa kanya na hindi niya kakilala. Bakit? Hindi niya kasi alam na nasa V-Mobile ka pala. Alright? So, very important. At least malaman niya. Through Facebook, pwede naman. I-tag mo lang siya. Share mo. At least, i-text mo. Oh, friend, may bago akong business. It's V-Mobile. Pag-usapan natin later. Alright? Ako kasi, personally, experience ko. Nag-join ako sa V-Mobile sa tao nag-present sa akin, hindi ko kakilala. Then later, nalaman ko, may mga friends pala ako na nasa V-Mobile. Sayang. Dapat kami ang magka-grupo. But it's okay. Number 3, meet up and share V-Mobile. Yung one-on-one presentation is still most effective. Ang pinaka-effective pa rin yung i-meet mo sila. Mag-merienda kayo, magkape kayo, meet mo lang. Right? Iba pa rin yung nagkita kayo. Kahit maliit na time lang, 30 minutes to an hour. Right? Use Facebook. Post, tag, share, comment, like. Right? Napaka-effective ng Facebook. Ang daming nag-join ng V-Mobile. Tanungin mo, ba't sila nag-join? Paano nila naman V-Mobile? Facebook. Right? Gamitin natin technology to do this business. Then lastly, follow up, follow up, follow up. Yung na-share mo ngayon, bukas, i-follow up mo. Yung tinext mo ngayon, bukas, i-follow up mo. Yung nag-commit sa'yo na next week, mag-join na siya next week, i-follow up mo. Alright? So again, number 1, learn the business. Number 2, share the opportunity. Lastly, number 3, duplicate yourself. So pagkatapos mo matutunan, pagkatapos mo ma-share yung opportunity sa V-Mobile, may partners ka na, ang kailangan mo na gawin yan is to duplicate yourself. Alright? I-duplicate mo yung ano yung meron ka. Motivate your core team. Dahil yung time, andayan mo ng partners under you, hundreds, thousands, hindi mo sila kayang motivate lahat. Pumili ka lang ng core team mo. Sila lang yung text mo, sila lang yung tatawagan mo, sila lang yung imimit mo. Alright? Kasi sila rin, tuturuan mo rin magturo ng iba. That's number 2. Teach them to teach others. Hindi sapat na turuan mo na sila. I-guide mo sila kasi sila magkakaroon din ng partners. Tuturuan mo sila na magturo ng partners nila. Is that clear? Alright, so number 3, help them build their teams. Our business is about building a team. Building your business team. Tulungan natin sila mag-build ng team nila. Nagsisimula pa lang sila, bigay mo yung mga strategies natin. For example, itong material na ito, i-share natin sa kanila. Alright? Share your tools and resources. That's number 4. Kung ano man meron tayong ginagamit, partners natin yan. Share mo sa kanila. Sabi ko nga sa mga partners, kahit copy-paste yung mga pinopost ko sa Facebook, okay lang. Kasi eventually, their success is also my success. Alright? This is a people helping people business. And lastly, be the upline you wanted to have. If you have expectations na nag-invite sa'yo, yun ang mga gagawin mo sa mga invite mo. Let's stop thinking about negative things kasi pagkaya na tinignan natin, ang dami. Let's always think positive. Alright? Kung ano yung maituturo natin sa mga partners natin, just give. Just help. Eventually, makikita mo, nagsasucceed ka sa V-Mobile. Kasi dagi ko sinasabi, dito sa V-Mobile, we don't need downlines. Hindi natin kailangan ng downlines. Ang kailangan natin sa V-Mobile, leaders. And magsisimula yan sa'yo. Kahit gano'ng karami yung downlines mo, kung wala kang leaders, sayang lang. So I hope nakatulong itong short na discussion natin about this material. 3 bagay na kailangan natin gawin to succeed in V-Mobile. I always believe that V-Mobile is for everyone who wants to succeed in this life. So if you're ready, let me know and I'm here to help you. Again, this material is free. Nasa Facebook page natin yan, facebook.com/vmobilewinners. Alright, marami pang resources doon. You can use it whenever you want. So, thank you again for watching and I hope to see you at the top. God bless us all. Thank you.